everyone to WISE Summit. The 2019 WISE Summit is welcoming over 2,000 educators, decision makers, influential experts for public and private sector for over 100 countries that are gathering here in Doha, Qatar. So today I would like to welcome with me the psychologist. Hello for working with us today.
Thank you, Ma'am Hasna. I'm here from WISE, and I'm coming for Pakistan and the WISE Summit, and here I'm sharing over some expertise of psychology on the one person for finding the real trait, and the person the genre is his trait, not his education. His trait is his and her genre, and it's amazing. You know, every person have a different facial, different body, and even the fingerprints. Why they are unique? They're amazing.
They're so different. They differ from each to other.
It seems like a DNA. Exactly. It's like a same, and we have a blessing of God. I have some knowledge. I'm shifting. Before I doing psychology, I doing mass communication, then history, then I do the psychology.
That's
and I am doing some practices, going the real person to identifying the real talent, so that we are consuming billions of dollars for human resources.
That's right.
When a person is not good, not for a job, seem like you. May I tell you your personality if you don't mind?
I will do it later. Okay. So, are you here as a participant or a visitor?
Yeah, I am a participant, and especially I came yesterday. I reached in morning, and I just came here and visited the whole education city.
How you found this summit?
Yeah, it's amazing, and it's very, very attractive, and I think the coming Europe is Doha. It's not Doha. Is not a Doha. It's a beating to a whole Arab world, and it's amazing. And he gained the FIFA and slapping the whole Arab world, and it is. I think Doha is changing. One of my friend told me Doha is continuously development process. Before 40 years, it's going on, and now I came Sukul Waqif.
Okay, so this is all Doha. That's great. So what do you find most important and interesting in WISE Summit 2019?
Can you repeat this question?
Can you please tell me what is the most interesting things about 2019 WISE Summit?
It's just beginning, but I like the Armenian president's speech. Is very, very genuine speech. You know, yesterday I visited the library, and I have same feelings which he shared, and he said the desert is growing education, and the education is a human, and if you find the real human for the real work, then your passion and profession on the same page, and you will enjoy the whole life. You're not boring when you came in the job. It's a bore. When you are interesting in jobs, it's your passion and profession. It's on the same page. You will go. You are enjoy the life.
So thank you, and thank you for being with us today here in Al Jazeera Media Institute studio, and we hope we can see you in the next coming years.
Thank you, inshallah. And I think I don't told your personality. If you don't mind, I will tell.
We can do it later.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
And thank you everyone. Goodbye.